To fix Robinhood not letting you withdraw money, start by checking your account status and ensuring it is active and not restricted. Verify that you have sufficient funds in your account and that the funds are settled, as it may take a few days for transactions to settle. Next, review Robinhood's terms and conditions to understand their withdrawal policies, as some accounts may have specific requirements or restrictions. Check if your account is eligible for instant withdrawals or if you need to wait for a certain period. If you have checked all the above and still cannot withdraw, try logging out and logging back into your account, as this can sometimes resolve technical issues. You can also try restarting the Robinhood app or using a different device to access your account. If the issue persists, reach out to Robinhood's customer support team for assistance. They can help you identify the problem and provide guidance on how to resolve it. Be prepared to provide information about your account and the issue you are experiencing. Additionally, ensure that your bank account information is up to date and accurate, as incorrect information can prevent withdrawals. You can also try withdrawing a small amount to test if the issue is specific to larger withdrawals. It is essential to note that Robinhood may restrict withdrawals in certain situations, such as if they suspect suspicious activity or if you have an outstanding balance. In such cases, you will need to contact their support team to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue preventing you from withdrawing money from Robinhood. Remember to always review your account activity and transaction history to ensure everything is in order and to contact support if you need further assistance.